Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Bespoke Jet Bot Combo AI, an advanced robotic vacuum that promises to bring convenience, efficiency, and smart technology to your home cleaning routine. This device is designed to provide a seamless cleaning experience with its powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and customizable design. Let's explore what makes the Samsung Bespoke Jet Bot Combo AI a standout choice for modern homes. Design and build quality. The Samsung Bespoke Jet Bot Combo AI stands out with its sleek design and sturdy construction. Customizable aesthetics. Part of the Bespoke series, this robot vacuum allows you to choose from various colors and finishes to match your home decor. Compact and sleek. The low-profile design ensures it can easily navigate under furniture and tight spaces. Durable construction. Built with high-quality materials, this vacuum is designed to withstand regular use while maintaining its sleek appearance. The Samsung Bespoke Jet Bot Combo AI is engineered for exceptional cleaning performance. Powerful suction. Equipped with a high-performance motor, it delivers strong suction power to effectively remove dirt, dust, and debris from various surfaces. Multi-surface cleaning. The vacuum seamlessly transitions between different floor types, including hardwood, carpet, and tile, ensuring thorough cleaning throughout your home. Advanced brush system. The combination of a soft brush and bristle brush ensures effective cleaning of both fine dust and larger particles. AI and smart features. The AI capabilities and smart features of the JetBot Combo AI enhance its cleaning efficiency. Intelligent navigation. The AI-powered navigation system uses sensors and cameras to map your home and create efficient cleaning paths, avoiding obstacles and ensuring thorough coverage. Object recognition. Advanced object recognition technology identifies and avoids obstacles like furniture, cables, and small objects, preventing potential collisions. Adaptive cleaning. The vacuum adjusts its suction power and cleaning mode based on the type of surface and the level of dirt detected, optimizing performance and battery life. User-friendly features. The Samsung Bespoke Jet Bot Combo AI is designed with user convenience in mind. Voice control, compatible with voice assistants like Bixby, Google Assistant, and Alexa, allowing for hands-free control and commands. Mobile app control. Use the Samsung SmartThings app to schedule cleanings, customize settings, and monitor the vacuum's progress from your smartphone. Automatic dirt disposal. The self-emptying dustbin feature ensures hassle-free maintenance by automatically emptying the collected debris into a larger bin, reducing the frequency of manual emptying. Battery life and charging. The battery life of the JetBot Combo AI is designed to handle extensive cleaning sessions. Long battery life. The high-capacity battery provides up to 150 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge, depending on the mode and conditions. Auto recharge and resume. When the battery is low, the vacuum automatically returns to its charging dock, recharges, and then resumes cleaning where it left off. Noise level. The Samsung Bespoke JetBot Combo AI operates at a low noise level, ensuring minimal disruption to your household. Quiet operation. With a noise level of approximately 70 decibels, it cleans your home quietly without disturbing your daily activities or conversations. Price and value. The Samsung Bespoke Jet Bot Combo AI offers excellent value for its advanced features, intelligent cleaning capabilities, and customizable design. It's a premium robotic vacuum that enhances convenience and efficiency in your home cleaning routine. Conclusion. The Samsung Bespoke Jet Bot Combo AI is a powerful and intelligent robotic vacuum that combines style, functionality, and smart technology to deliver an exceptional cleaning experience. Whether you're looking for advanced navigation, powerful suction, or a customizable design, this vacuum has it all. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.